Hey, want to connect your Amazon Echo to a different Wi-Fi router? After watching this video, you can change or switch your different Wi-Fi network or router settings easily. So here is how you can do this. So let's get started. Open the Alexa app, then tap on Devices. It looks like a light icon below. Now tap on your device name. After that, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Then tap on the Change or Remove a Wi-Fi network. Next, tap Join after Wi-Fi network. Now it will ask you to press the dot button on your Alexa Echo Dot device. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds to turn on the light. Turn on the orange light. Now tap Yes on your phone's screen. Then we'll search for your Wi-Fi. Wait for a while. Here you can change to another Wi-Fi network. Now tap on the network you want to connect to. After connecting to Wi-Fi, tap Continue and follow the prompts. And that's it. This is the way to connect your Amazon Echo to a different Wi-Fi router. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.